Hey everyone, this is Raphael, artist and illustrator, and today I am going to show you the second half of the demonstration on how to paint a koi fish. Now, if you haven't seen the first half, please see the first one first so you know what place where I am. So, let's get started. Alright, so now I'm starting a new set of scales here. I'm using a darker color now. Now I'm using, this is a mixture of brown, particularly burnt sienna and cobalt blue, which I'm mixing those. The reason why I mix those two kind of makes it like a really dark brown, but almost like a black. And so I wanted to make it my koi fish to kind of look like looks like it has black spots about a stripe like. I thought it would be kind of a interesting way to give it character. I didn't want to use straight black because straight black would make it look flat. So if you ever want to use a really dark color, you don't want to use completely black. That's a good idea. It's a brown and blue or brown and any cool color will do a good job. Now here I am. I have it around the body, and I'm applying some onto the fins. Just to give the fins more definition, kind of give it more character. It has a kind of like a feathery feel, since fish fins are pretty light. Now I'm going back over with the orange, using a lighter orange now, like a yellowish orange, almost like a pale kind of. It's more like a glaze though. It's not exactly covering it. I don't want it to completely cover up the orange that I have. But I want to just use a little bit and cover some spots that make it kind of look nicer and more vibrant. I want this fish to look vibrant as much as possible. I'm going over it with some like an orangey red to bring back some of the darkness a little, just a tad bit. Again, it's like sort of like another glaze. I don't want it to completely cover up what I had before. It just kind of gives it a nice vibrant. It was good to have nice and vibrant towards it. Go back with some orange. See, everything's all about, right now I'm in the repetition stage, to where I add new things and I cover up, glaze, but don't get rid of what I had before. That's what glazing is about, transparency. Adding a new color but keeping the old color, what you had before too. Now I'm adding the background, where I used background before, but now I'm using darker colors to shade my fish, because now I wanted to make it look like, the fish is swimming underwater, and it's a floor, so I want the shadows to be casted from on the floor. That way, fish is somewhere. And I'm using the same color, I'm just making it a little bit darker. I have less white in it, so it kind of helps me identify like where is the fish. I'm gonna keep doing that. This where I feel like needs shading. Now I'm going back into some white, and I'm kind of gradually blending it and expanding it so that way the shadow look bigger, but they don't look completely the same. It's all gradual. Just make it subtle as possible. The shadows. Don't make it too obvious. Now I keep blending and blending until I feel like it's a good pace of a natural shadow, and the fish just gradually blended nicely. Now after this is pretty much it, and I hope you liked it, and if you do, please, I would appreciate it giving it a thumbs up. Yeah, if you want to see more videos in the future, definitely check out my other videos. And please do not forget to subscribe if you are new. Hope to see you next week. I post every